What is up, everybody? Welcome back. This is a middle of the week video that I'm dropping and giving to you all. I'm pretty sure most of y'all already seen this, but I'm giving it to other people that may not have seen this. But what I am talking about is Human Made and Verdy. They got another collab going. Nigo and Verdy been doing these collabs probably like once a season, and he dropped one last season, and now we got another one this season with their collab. And it's a pretty dope collab. I'm gonna try to get something, but that shipping, y'all, I'm telling you, man, that's a killer. But yeah, they got a collection coming up. So with that being said, I've been talking enough. This is gonna be a quick video, so y'all don't have to be here too long. So let's get right into it. The Vic collection, Human Made latest collaboration with graphic artist Verdy, will be released exclusively on Human Made online store at 11 a.m. That's Japan time on Wednesday, February 23rd, which is today, which is tonight, which should be around 9 or 10, the time that is gonna drop for us, Eastern. So for the other time zones, y'all figure that out. This collaboration, the first of its kind this year, featured a lineup including a reversible Sakujan jacket, I think I said that right, with different design inside and out, hoodie sweatshirt, a sweatshirt, and a long and short sleeve t-shirt with Human Made's classic side seamless design. Verdy catchy graphic featuring Vic, his original character. The collection also includes old school skateboard decks inspired by designs from the 80s and 90s, a bold storage box, and a mug and scalp brush that brings a burst of color to everyday life. Cool. All right, with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna start off with the Sakujan jacket. It looks like a green velvet type of jacket. So on the front, you have Vic. On the left and right of the chest, and on the sleeves you got Human Made in a balloon with Vic like holding on to the balloon strings. Also on the back of that you have Vic with the heart behind his back, the Human Made heart behind his back. It's kind of hard to see it. It's kind of hard to read it and see what's going on with the design on the back. Next, as you scroll down, if you turn it inside out, outside in, whatever, you have the other material of this jacket. So if you turn it inside out, you'll have the inside of the jacket. It says Human Made on the, I guess it would be on the right chest, and on the back it says Human Made Girls Don't Cry outside the Human Made heart. This is going for a good grip. So if y'all gonna get this, I know y'all pockets gonna be hurt when they come to that shipping if you get it internationally. All right, next we got some hoodies. I think these hoodies are hard. I like this hoodie a lot. You got the Vic pizza hoodie, and it's a little bit easier to read on this black hoodie compared to that green jacket. With the design that says Human Made, Verdy with Vic up under it, says Harajuku. And I like this black version and the white version, to be honest, but I would probably go with the white version. I got a lot of black hoodies, so I decided to go with the white one because it just adds a little bit more flair and pop to it with those colors that's going on with that design. Next, we have a sweatshirts. I like these a lot. I like how Human Made just stole the Verdy font and just applied it to themselves, which I think is really dope. And they're yellow and black. I like yellow and black. They're two really good contrasting colors. And we had the same design that was on the sleeve of that jacket and hoodie on the front side of that sweatshirt. But if I were to choose between the two, it'd be the black and yellow Human Made sweatshirt. Next, we had the same Harajuku design that was on that hoodie on the long sleeve tees. Now we got the black Human Made long sleeve tee with the Vic on the back, which I like a lot more than the white sleeve. I like the black long sleeve a little bit more than that white long sleeve. I know I just said that about the hoodie, but if I would have preferred to choose one, it would probably be that long sleeve. I liked it a lot. Next, we got the same designs again that was on that sweatshirt on the tees. Ain't really much to say about that because we already seen it. But since the sweatshirt is gonna be a little bit more expensive and I can save a little bit more money, I just go with that short sleeve tee or with that sweatshirt. Next, we got the Vic 6-panel twill cap. I like this a lot. If I was to choose between the two of these hats, I'll probably pick the black one. Reason being, because when you wear a hat, like a white hat, they get dirty really quick, faster than you would normally expect. So that's why I'll probably go with that black twill cap. Next, now this is what I want, which is the skateboard. Either color, I don't even care. I just like that 80s and 90s retro look. 80s and 90s like one of my favorite time periods, like when it comes to pop culture. And these skateboards really represent that time and era. Also, these skate decks come with these stickers. It says Vic dry offs with this old school, I think like a Bentley or a Benz. I'm terrible with cars. A Rolls Royce, that's what this look like. Then it says Dryall's like the Japanese type of font, and Human Made the other like type of font, like script somebody came up with. But I really do like this a lot. I like this a lot. They give you a little bit extra, and I still got my Supreme skate deck that I got from like 2 years ago, still sitting in the box, the Smurf one. It's a black skate deck. I still haven't sold it yet. Next, we have the milk glass pedestal mugs. We got Vic on one side and Human Made on the other. I like these mugs a lot. If I can get them, I'll try to get them. Next, we have this GDC acrylic file box. Like it a lot, pass on it. I got enough storage already as it is. If I need more, then I'll just buy more. Next, we have the Human Made GDC scalp brush. Yeah, pretty much just brush your scalp with it. I'm good on that. I'm gonna pass on that, even though it's pretty cheap, but I'm gonna still pass. So that is it for that. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. We got a lot of stuff coming tonight. I'm gonna try and get this up today before I go to work. And I got stuff to do, but I'm gonna get this video out to y'all today. That's the goal, that's the mission. With that being said, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Catch y'all in the next one. See y'all Sunday. I'm out. Peace.